Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this Excel tutorial I will show you how you could convert from text to column. To do that, click initially to have the first column selected. Click on data on the upper part and go to text to columns. Click on it. Here select delimited and click next. Here you might want to try several options based on the report which you have downloaded. If you can read what exactly is the delimiters in your report, if it's space, comma or others, you can maybe select other and enter. Or if you are not sure, I invite you first to try with semicolon, and if it doesn't work for you, then you can try with comma. For me it's a semicolon, but I will show you. In case you have selected the wrong one, once you click next and you click finish, the text remains the same. So we'll go again, click on text to column, delimited, next. I will deselect comma and I will select semicolon. See, now it has been shared equally as I want. In your case it might be also space, so I invite you to try several ones if you don't know exactly the report which you have downloaded, and then click next. We will leave it general and we will click finish. We'll click OK. Now that my text has been shared correctly, I will go ahead and start editing my file. Click on the top, select everything with the mouse, double click in any of the middle to adjust. I will go ahead and click on home and select to have the text on the left. And here again, I will try to readjust to have it functioning. Now that my file is ready, I can just go ahead and click on save to have it saved. Thank you guys for watching. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always send us an email or leave us a comment and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to produce more video tutorials, you can always press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.